Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using investment research with Seeking Alpha, complete guide step by step clearly. To start using investment research with Seeking Alpha, first, visit the Seeking Alpha website. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will have the option to choose between a free plan and a premium plan. Select the plan that best fits your investment needs. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. After registering, check your email for a confirmation link and click it to activate your account. Once your account is active, log in to the Seeking Alpha platform. Upon logging in, you will see the main dashboard, featuring the latest market news. Explore the navigation menu to familiarize yourself with the different sections available. Start by selecting markets to get an overview of current market trends and stock performance. Next, locate the Stocks tab to search for specific companies you want to research. Enter the stock ticker or company name in the search bar. Click on the relevant stock to access its dedicated page. Review the stock's price chart, financials, and recent news articles linked to it. Take note of any analyst ratings and opinions listed under the Analysis section. Use the Articles tab to read in-depth research and opinions provided by various contributors. You can sort articles by the most recent, most popular, or highest rated to find relevant insights. If you want to save specific stocks for easy access, use the Watchlist feature. To add a stock, click on the heart icon on the Stocks page. Access your watchlist anytime from the main dashboard. To deepen your research, explore the news section for updates on market movements and relevant industry developments. Consider reading the Marketplace area for premium investment services and insights provided by seasoned investors. For a more personalized experience, follow analysts or contributors whose opinions resonate. Create alerts for stocks you are interested in, so you stay updated on price movements or news. Review the educational resources available under the Learning Center to improve your investing knowledge. Track your portfolio using the Portfolio feature to see how your investments are performing. Lastly, engage with the Seeking Alpha community through comments and discussions on articles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.